Starting an online business might seem like a daunting task, especially when you're beginning with no experience, no capital, and no clear path. But guess what? The digital world offers incredible opportunities for anyone to go from zero to hero, no matter your background. Whether you're looking to build a side hustle or create a full-time online business, you can make it happen. In today's video, we're going to break down exactly how to build a profitable online business from scratch, step by step. So if you're ready to start your entrepreneurial journey, grab a pen and paper, because I'm about to show you how to take your dreams from nothing to something big. 10. Find your niche. Before you dive into the world of online business, it's essential to find a niche that resonates with you. This is the foundation of your business. A niche is simply a specialized area that you can focus on, and it's critical because it allows you to target a specific audience. You don't want to be everything to everyone. Instead, think about what you're passionate about or where you have expertise. Whether it's fitness, beauty, technology, or personal finance, finding your niche will help you stand out in a crowded market and give you a clear direction for your business. Start by researching what interests you, what problems people need solving, and what areas have potential for growth. Don't be afraid to narrow it down. Your niche doesn't have to be huge, but it needs to be specific enough to attract your ideal customer. 9. Validate your idea. Once you have your niche, it's time to validate your business idea. Many people jump straight into building a product or service without ever confirming that there's demand for it. This step is crucial to avoid wasting time and resources. You can validate your idea in many ways. One of the simplest methods is to conduct market research. Search online forums, social media groups, and websites like Reddit to see if people are talking about the problem you want to solve. You can also conduct surveys or reach out directly to your target audience to ask if they would be interested in what you plan to offer. If you're starting with a product, try pre-selling or offering a beta version to see if people are willing to pay for it. Validation gives you the confidence that your business idea has the potential for success before you go all in. 8. Create a business plan. Even though you're starting small, it's important to treat your online business like a real business. That means creating a business plan that outlines your goals, target audience, marketing strategy, and financial projections. A solid business plan helps you stay focused and organized as you build your business. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be complicated. Start with the basics. Define what you want to achieve, how you'll achieve it, and what steps you need to take to make it happen. Make sure to include a budget and estimate costs for things like website hosting, software tools, and marketing efforts. A clear plan will keep you on track and help you avoid costly mistakes. 7. Build your online presence. Now that you have your niche, idea, and business plan in place, it's time to build your online presence. Your website is the face of your business, and it's essential to have a professional, user-friendly site that reflects your brand. If you don't have web development skills, there are plenty of easy-to-use website builders like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace that can help you get started. Make sure your website clearly communicates who you are, what you offer, and how people can get in touch with you. You'll also want to optimize it for search engines, SEO, to improve your visibility and attract organic traffic. And don't forget to set up your social media profiles. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn can help you reach your target audience and promote your brand. 6. Develop your product or service. At this point, it's time to develop your product or service. This could be a physical product, a digital product, or even a service-based offering. Your product should align with the problems your niche faces, and it should offer real value. If you're creating a physical product, make sure to source quality materials and ensure your product solves a clear problem for your customers. For digital products, this might mean creating an ebook, course, or software solution. If you're offering a service, it could be anything from consulting, coaching, or freelance work. Take your time here. Don't rush through the process. Quality is key, and making sure your product or service delivers on its promises is essential for customer satisfaction and long-term success. 5. Set up payment and legal structures. As you prepare to launch your business, you'll need to set up payment systems and ensure that your business is legally compliant. Setting up payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or Shopify payments makes it easy for your customers to purchase your products or services. You'll also want to ensure you've taken the necessary legal steps, such as registering your business name, obtaining licenses if needed, and making sure you comply with any industry regulations. While legalities may seem intimidating, it's crucial to get these right to avoid any future headaches. Fourth, market your business. With your product, website, and legal structures in place, it's time to start marketing your online business. This is where the fun begins, but it's also where a lot of people go wrong. A great product or service doesn't automatically guarantee sales. People need to know about it. Start by creating a content marketing plan. Use blogging, YouTube videos, social media posts, and email newsletters to engage your audience and build trust. Social media ads can also be an effective way to reach potential customers. Don't forget about SEO. If people can't find you online, you'll miss out on valuable traffic. Consider creating partnerships or collaborations with influencers in your niche to expand your reach. Effective marketing is all about being consistent and authentic. Focus on building relationships with your audience and offering them real value, and you'll start to see your business grow. 3. Focus on customer service. Customer service is often overlooked, but it's one of the most important aspects of running a successful business. Happy customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and recommend your products or services to others. Make sure you're always responsive to customer inquiries, address complaints professionally, and go above and beyond to ensure satisfaction. Good customer service leads to positive reviews and referrals, which will help you build a strong reputation and grow your business over time. 2. Track your progress and optimize. As your online business grows, it's important to track your progress and optimize for better results. Use tools like Google Analytics to track website traffic, conversion rates, and other key metrics. This data will help you identify what's working and what's not. Based on the insights you gather, make adjustments to your marketing strategies, pricing, and product offerings. Be open to feedback from customers and continuously improve your processes. The more you optimize, the better your chances of building a profitable and sustainable business. 1. Scale your business. Once you've established a solid foundation and your business is generating consistent revenue, it's time to scale. Scaling means growing your business by expanding your customer base, increasing your product range, or even branching into new markets. You can scale by automating processes, outsourcing tasks, or hiring employees. Investing in paid ads, improving your SEO, or offering new products can also help boost your growth. The key to scaling successfully is not to rush. It's about making strategic moves that support long-term success. And there you have it, your roadmap to building a profitable online business from zero to hero. It's not going to happen overnight, but with the right mindset, strategy, and determination, you can go from having nothing to running a successful online business. Remember, the most important thing is to take action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning along the way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and strategies on building your own online business. I'll see you in the next video.